Hello YouTube, this is CSTOYS International, the alternatives, and thank you very much for watching. And then we're still doing the demonstration here, and now the next item is this. Now let me take it out. Okay, this one is called whoa, it's 4 o'clock. Okay, and this one is called the Minnano Advento. Minnano Advento Heisei Kamen Rider Hen. Okay, so this item is a very special one. Thank you very much for the, the big bell. Okay, and this one has a very interesting features. You can open it like this. Okay, to show you, and you can see the numbers here: 01, starting from 01s to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well, 10 is probably the biggest one. All right, so these has there are 10 small rooms contained in the special Heisei Rider related items, like a keychain and small figures and everything like that. And so it's a very special one, comes with that. And we are selling this one, of course, from our stores, but this one is for me. And because I set the goal, because my April 20th is my birthday, next month, I think, yes. And then from today, every alternative show, I can open 2 rooms. Okay, so maybe starting from here, right? I will open here 01, 02 for today, and next alternative show I will open 3 and 4. All right, and so I will just keep doing that until on the day of my birthday. And my birthday, it will be I believe that the pack and ship show. So yeah, that's right, the pack and ship show. And then so I will open the last one on the day. All right, so hope that you can join me opening the Advent, Minnano Advento. Okay, and actually just to show you the what's inside, I hope you can see this one. And actually here you can see the Kamen Rider Kuga Ultimate Form diecast figure, diecast. Okay, kind of heavy one. You can see that this I think the Keitai strap, the mobile phone strap or something. Okay, comes with the famous Kamen Rider lines. One of the lines says the 通りすがりの仮面ライダーだ。ちょっとくすぐったいぞ。姉さん。You know, those famous lines from the Kamen Rider, the Decade actually. And then from the Hibiki's one, Disco Arimo, Akanetaka is here. And now this one is very unique one. Actually, miniature sized S.H.Figuarts, you know, even comes with the box. Comes with the box too. Alright. And this one, okay, let's go this one, okay. And this is something, you know, this is from the Kamen Rider Decade. Remember that those, you know, the photo studio, the Oji-chan had all the back screens, and they look at it and they open the next door to the another world, right? And those back screens comes as a sticker, okay? So I can see the, you know, Kabuto no Sekai and Blade no Sekai and Faiz no Sekai. All the pictures are here as a sticker. Very interesting. Okay, and also this one is the it says Daishoka pins. Daishoka pins are here. Right, nice. And also this one is for the magnet Ongekiko from the Kamen Rider. It's a small magnet. And this one is, well, I don't have to explain maybe. Denliner coffee figure. Okay, coffee figure. And lastly, yes, Kamen Rider doubles helmet. I don't know which one we can get, but we can, well, let's see, hope we can get something. Okay, so either of the 3 items. So this is something that we are going to start selling from the CSTOYS.Japan.com, our store. And but before that, I like to set a goal for myself. This is my birthday present for myself, and then I will join me to count down to the mighty mighty 47 years old. I mean 47 years young, excuse me. Okay, so let me change that to my camera. There we go. お疲れ様です。Okay, so let me open this. All right, how do I do this one? Okay, so I need to take off. Oh, I see. I need to open the here. You know, this here is a plastic, and I need to cut the tape here. Okay. And get the plastic out. Okay, so the other side too. All right. Okay, so here is the all those 10 rooms. So this one, number 10, will be open the last day, which is on my birthday. Okay, so I will start from here, and because we have the I believe for like 5 more weeks, so I will open 2 of the box for 1 day. Okay. All right, and let me just open this one. All right. Ready, guys? Gideon Cyclone says wait. All right, and so so maybe here. Okay, let me open this one. Wow, it has the message. 見てください、俺の変身。Now that's a famous line from the Kamen Rider Kuga. 見てください。見ててください。俺の変身。I think this is the last episode he used this one. Very cool. And now let's see. あらら。あららららら。I thought it was a Kuga, but this is not. Ooh. Okay. Now everybody know what this is. Yay. Luna Trigger, nice. I like it. Actually, I really like the color. You see this? Very nice. Okay. Very cool. So I got one very nice one, and let's go for the next one. Yay. Number 2. Come on, come on, come on. Yo. Now this one from the Agitos, I think. 人の運命がお前の手の中にあるなら、俺が俺を奪い返す。俺が奪い返す。If the people, if the human's destiny is in your hands, I will take it back. It says the, you know, 人の運命がお前の手の中にあるなら、 if the human's destiny is in your hands, 俺が奪い返す. I will take it back. Alright, I think this is a famous line from the Agito. Now, I wonder what's the inside one. Oh, yes. Magnet. I must open it. Hey, nice. I like it. Yeah, keep it away from the electronics. Ooh. Hey. Alright, so today's alternative show, I got the my personal advent items. Birthday present, actually. Okay. So, this is a 01, 02, and then so we will continue this from the next, from the next alternative show. We will open 03 and 04, and so it's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 09, and like I said, number 10 will be open on my birthday, and then let's see what's gonna happen, inside. And then the last one, actually, because it's a shipping day, will be, and it will be quite interesting. All right, so this has been the live demonstrations from the CSTOYS alternatives, opening the Minnano Advento. All right, Kamen Rider, Heisei Rider hand, and the box. And soon this item will be start selling from the our store, www.cstoysjapan.com. お疲れ様です。And then I hope that you can find it, and we will just put it away, put it on soon. Okay, so I hope you can get this one items. And thank you very much. And then I wish you can get these items as well. My goodness, I like this one. Okay, thank you very much. And this has been the live one. And see you soon. Bye.